Hey guys, Todd Farmer here with affiliatemarketingplan.com. I wanted to make a quick video because I bought this new plugin yesterday. I'm pretty jazzed about it and I want to show you it. So it's called Backup Creator, and essentially what it does, it helps you back up your websites to kind of keep them protected. And that's a big issue, obviously, just in the core of maintaining a security element within your business. But the really cool thing about it is the cloning aspect, and that's what I want to show you today, because I actually have a couple of projects that I want to work on, and whenever I have a new project that I want to make or a website that I want to build, I kind of push it off because I don't really have the time necessarily to spend just the 2 hours or so that it takes to set it up. Well, I'm going to show you in probably about, I don't know, 30 seconds that the website is going to be completely done. Well, let me kind of preface that with, it'll be built and I have to go back and fix everything, right? So let me show you what I mean. First of all, what I did is I have a website called besthomebrewkits.com, and I'm promoting Cooper's beer there from makebeer.net. As a result of GTO management, I actually am documenting this whole process of how I built this website in AFPlan's premium members area. So I like the site. I think it's a pretty decently laid out site. It's really simple, and it's got a, it's got a good feel to it. Well, either way, what I've done is I've actually implemented or installed all the plugins that I use in my cheat sheet guide that's also in the premium members area for AFPlan.com, as well as all of my preferred themes. Why would I do that, you ask? Well, what I wanted to do is create kind of a template website, and I didn't actually want to go and create a really perfect template with just what am I looking for, like default text and stuff that I would know to change later on. I didn't really want to have to wait that long. I wanted to test this stuff out without having to make that. So I have besthomebrewkits.com. It's got all like the privacy policy, the disclosure, the contact us form, and the contact page, the about us page, the sitemap. It's already got some default posts, and it's already got, everything set up. So at least I can use that as my beginning point. So all I did is last night I installed all my plugins. Whether I use them or not on this site doesn't matter, and you'll see why in a minute. And I installed all of my my favorite themes. Again, whether I use it or not doesn't matter, because I can use them in a minute on a different site. And here's how it works. So this backup and cloning software, you just upload the plugin after you buy it, and I'm going to go ahead and make a backup now of this site. And I have a new site, it's over here, called iPad3warranties.com. I want to get this done now because they're releasing the iPad 3 next week, so I'm kind of in a time crunch if I really want to do this. So what's the best way to do it? I'll show you right now. Let's do it. Alright, so over here I come into my plugins. I can see that I've already installed it, and in fact I'll show you all the plugins that I've installed here. And whether again, I don't use them all. See, a lot of them are deactivated. And so, see, there's a lot of them, right? See this? Look at all these things. There's a ton of them. I'm not using them all. I just want to keep them all in one package. So now when I install it over onto iPad3warranties.com, they'll all be there for me. Whether I use them or not, doesn't matter. They're there. I don't have to go searching for them. All right, so now where are we at? After I installed it, let's go ahead and click here under settings. And this backup link down here, that's for my Dropbox. You're thinking, Todd, you're an idiot. Well, no. Yes, I am an idiot, but not now. All right, so now I'm going to back up this site right here, and I click back up this site. And voila, here it goes. Come on now, back up the site. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So I back up the site, and then while it's doing that, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do next. Next, I'm going to, oh, is it already done? Yeah, it's already done. All right, so now I'm going to take a little package script here, right here. See this? Download the Backup Creator installer. I'm going to right-click on it. All right, right-click, and I'm going to save it as, come on now. Well, of course, my computer's taking its sweet-ass time. So anyway, I'm going to save it locally, and then I'm going to upload it to the plugins directory over at iPad3warranties.com, and then I'm going to restore the site, and then you're going to see everything is there. So it's called backupcreator.zip. I'm going to let best home brew kits dash whatever. So I keep the downloads directory, and I'm done. So now I'm going to come over here to iPad3warranties.com, and really, my computer's taking a lot of time right now. Perhaps I have too many applications open. All right, downloads complete. All right, so here's the front end, and so I'm going to leave this here because I want to hit refresh in a minute. And here's the dashboard, right? Yes. Okay, so you can see I've just installed WordPress. Was it 3.31 or whatever? And I've already got an update to do. Let me see. I'm not even going to deal with that right now. I'm going to go to plugins and add a new plugin, and I'm going to upload the file I just downloaded from besthomebrewkits.com. Upload, and I called it Best Homebrew Kits. Come on now, chop chop. Time's wasting, people. Come on, computer, make it fast. All right, browse. And I'm gonna go to my downloads folder. Most recent. Install now. Watch this. It's magical. It's magical. I can't wait to do this. Activate the plugin. All right. So it probably should have taken 30 seconds, but my computer's taking forever. All right. So go to settings here. Oh yeah, my API key. Okay. Don't look. Close your eyes. You can't see what I'm doing here. Okay, so now that I've entered my API key, and hopefully you didn't get a chance to see that, all I've got to do is restore from this URL. It's the file it's already there. Okay, watch. Here it goes. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And I do want to make sure I'm at the right site. iPad 3 warranties. All right. Here goes. So all of my themes, all of their settings, all the plugins, all of their settings, all the pages, the posts, the images, they're all downloaded and replaced onto this website. So there's no references to the other website in any capacity. I don't have to go back and do a find and replace for any references to Best Homebrew Kits with regard to the URLs. And that's it. View the restored blog. That's it. So I'm done. Here it goes. Let's see. iPad3warranties.com. It looks exactly the same. It looks exactly the same, right? So look at, you can go to the blog, and did it set my settings? Yes, it did. So everything's there. Go to the about page. About page. It should be there. Come on now. About page. Everything is just done. Oh, look at that. Who's that guy? Yeah, that's me. Contact page. Let's see if the contact page works. Because I didn't look at that. I'm using that fast secure contact form. That's in there as well. Gosh, everything's there. The whole thing. So let's look at the back end. Seriously, guys? Are you kidding me? It's pretty darn sweet. Alright, so I'm going to go visit the dashboard. Everything's there. So you can kind of see the implications here, right? Can't you? I can build out websites for myself really fast. Now all I've got to do back here is change the content around that refers to homebrew kits and all that stuff. And if I was really smart, I would have started with a better template that's a little bit more simple, less for me to have to, delete. In fact, I'll probably make that now out of this website. I'll strip all the stuff down and I'll create like my clone base. So now whenever I'm ready to make a new website, I'll take this clone base and boom, there you go. That's what I'm going to use from now on when I want to start up a new website. And then change the header around. Whether I use thesis theme on all of them or not doesn't matter, but it's done. Okay, so the other implication here obviously is if you want to make websites for other people, like in their example here at let me show you back here at Backup Creator. One of their examples is like local business. My friend Don Campbell has a theme called local theme. Is it? No, small business theme by Don Campbell, and they actually use his theme in this webinar where they made a dentist office video. I'm sorry, dentist's office website, and then now they have another dentist office as a client, in this fictional scenario. So they just copied and cloned the website over to this new dentist website and changed the company's name, the dentist name, and maybe an image or two, but that's it. Of course, the address and hours of the office. But you can see the options here, and you can see the opportunities. So I don't really do this a whole ton, but I did want to show you because I think this is a really good plug-in for us as affiliate marketers when we want to scale our business and at least cut out some of those steps that it takes us to make our websites. So yeah, you back it up, you clone it, you edit it, and you're good to go. Now then you got to focus on all the affiliate marketing stuff and the traffic stuff. But the technical stuff, done. All right. So go buy yourself a copy. It's only $50 or so. Yep, $47. Massively worth your time. And I will get a commission if you purchase through my link here at webcid.com/backup creator. And I hope you do use my affiliate link. I would appreciate the commission. So anyway, good luck. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks.